Hi, I'm Juan Iribarren. I've been playing drums for over 20 years, and I'm the drummer for the Panamanian band Estado de Sitio. Throughout my career, I've worked across many musical genres, including punk rock, funk, and reggae music. I've also played Latin rhythms and explored some experimental tracks. I use Collision 5AR nylon tip drumsticks. These sticks give me great reach, solid weight and control, and incredible handling. They're very durable, well-balanced, and honestly, extremely reliable. I'm really impressed by their quality and consistency. They feel precise and let me play with full confidence in any situation. I'll be performing La Calle de los Olvidados, a track by Estado de Sitio that delivers a constructive critique from the perspective of everyday people. It's a powerful, high-energy song that resonates with the daily realities of life across Latin America. Hope you enjoy it.
Esta es la historia que te vengo a contar. Si rascas cielos,